Nestor kanina, right? He approached his wife, then nagtanggal siya ng garter. Tinanggal niya ang garter. Can you do that in reverse? Can you put the garter with your teeth upwards? Ito mo naman ang sexy sumayaw ni Nestor. Talagang may performance. You need to do the same. You need to dance and give a sexy move bago ka lumuhod. Okay? Here you go. Let's play the music, DJ. Okay, stretch your leg, Nicole. Stretch your leg. Everybody, let's start praising the garter. Whoopsie!